How to check WhatsApp contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find WhatsApp and tap on it. You are now in the WhatsApp settings page where you can view and manage the features WhatsApp is allowed to access. From here, tap on Contacts. And then, select Full Access. WhatsApp now has full access to your contacts. Now, go back and open up the WhatsApp application. In the Chats page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new chat icon. You can now view all your contacts over here. Following these steps, you can easily check WhatsApp contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.